Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Gilbert Warkaya. I'm going to present you my personal project called Qhalikay, which means health in Quechua. Here's the QR code and the link. My photo, my name, my email and my LinkedIn. Qhalikay helps to find the closest health centers to your location, as well as to search for associated health centers remotely and start a chat to make inquiries or appointments. You will no longer have to search social networks or various pages or make calls. You can find everything in Qhalikay. I use Scrum with Giga software to make sprints, 2 sprints in total. And in each sprint I created some tasks to finish before the end. I use Figma also for the prototyping. And for the front-end technologies, I use GitHub, React, React Router, Slint, SAS, React Bootstrap, React Map GL, Macbox, Axios, React Redux, Cypress.io, and Chat Engine. And for the backend technologies, I use Cloudinary, Node.js, Express, JSON Web Tokens, MongoDB, Mongoose, Slint, NodeMailer, Cypress.io, and Jest for testing too. And the Places API from Google Maps to load the places near the user location. For the backend deployment, I use Heroku, and for the front-end deployment, I used Vercel. Here is the initial design of the database for the hospital and user, the chat and review tables. After that, I modified for to fit MongoDB. And here is the design of the web application. The user and hospital has these views, and both of them have access to these views. Here's the application. We have a search bar, a sidebar, and we have here some hospitals and medical centers. We can load more. And here is a list of steps for the user to follow. They can search the best medical center and start a chat, and after they finish the chat they can leave a feedback. And here is the review, the last review from me, and the footer. We can find the near hospitals, and here is loading the list of hospitals and medical centers in general. And here is the map with the places. We can load more hospitals if we want, and here is changing too. We can load more. Okay, and we can start a chat from here if we like, or we can start a chat clicking in this image. We need to log in first to start a chat, but this is the description page for the user to see the details of the hospital. We are going to log in. Here's the page of login. We can log in with Google also, but we are going to create a new account. We need some requirements for the password. Okay, and we need to authorize. This account needs verification. Please check your message. So we need to go to our Gmail, and this is the mail for verification. We're going to verify this account, and we need to log in the page. This is the profile. We can change our first name and last name, and also the username. Done. We can change our photo. Okay, And if we like to find a hospital in specific, we can search from here or from here, and we can start a chat, for example, for the Archbishop Loaiza National Hospital. We can say hello, and we wait for a response. Okay, when we finish with this chat, we can close the chat, and we need to leave a feedback. 5 stars. Thank you for your feedback. Here's the reviews, and we can send a message from here. I want a new account, for example, and we can see our, okay, it's here's the email, the mail which with our message. That's all. I want to finish the presentation with some testing with Cypress. Here's the testing for rendering the different components and pages. Okay, everything finished correctly. And here's the authentication testing. This is the login page for the hospital. Everything okay. So this is everything from my application. Thank you very much. See you later.